Welcome back to the YouTube channel today. We're going to be washing this up. I got another vehicle over there, Suburban we're going to be working on. We got to diagnose to figure out why it's got random misfires. We're going to be doing plugs, intake gaskets, plugs, coils, try to rule out to make sure it's not an electrical issue. Then we're going to probably be doing a compression test if none of that works. I'm going to wash this up today, get it cleaned up and see what kind of damages it has. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy the content. I'm gonna get to work.
Yeah.
Definitely not like that loud fucking tapping. That's rather concerning.
We just need to get the shit beat out of it a little bit.
Basically.
Taking around our ice track a couple times was alright.
The only problem is if I get stuck down that two-wheel drive right now. I gotta put the linkage on. And the linkage is missing. washing it. Found some paint fading. Definitely gonna have to get that fixed. Probably get that repainted. Other than that, found some issues with the mirror. Missing a chunk of paint there. The door seal's a little messed up. Somebody's clearly been locked out of this at one point. All in all, it's a decent truck. It just has a lot of little quirks to it. Probably gonna end up getting it repainted if I have to. Got a little chip right here. Exhaust tip is pretty rusty. I don't know, we're probably gonna change that out. I haven't decided yet. Wheels are clean. They're pretty rough. Let's zoom it out a little bit here. Obviously, gotta get rid of those because those are stupid. Got some damage on the cab up here we're gonna have to take care of. These people clearly like locking themselves out of this truck. All in all, it's pretty decent. So if you watch the videos and you're interested in buying this, it will be for sale soon. I just got to finish the project. Here's a Suburban I've been working on. Currently cleaning the floor mats. I'm about to do a compression test on here and see if we dropped a lifter or not. Hopefully not, but I'm pretty sure that's what the cause is. God, that's... Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the content. I want to thank you for watching my video. If you watched it all the way through, thank you. Be sure to leave a like, a comment, share the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. I'm going to try to put out content every day so you guys got something to watch. I'm going to work on the lifted truck. I got a bunch of parts that came. They're going to the powder coater tomorrow. I'll show you guys those as soon as they're powder coated. And then we're going to get that all done. Then we got to take it and get it detailed and put my air dog pump in it. Get the truck as complete as I can, and then we're going to list it for sale, and maybe one of you guys can buy it if you want it. I do have a question if you guys feel like contributing down below. Do you think that we should put a 2-inch cowl hood on that, or leave it with the stock hood? Let me know what you guys think. What size rim do you guys think we should go with? Should we go with 20s, 22s? Definitely nothing bigger than a 22. I'm probably going to still throw it on 37s. You just got to let me know. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.